Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Martinez. Para los que no me conocen y para los que me conocen, hello guys, welcome back. So for today's video, like I promised you guys on my last video, I'm back with another waxing video. And I'm only willing to do this. I actually didn't want to do it today, but my phone told me that I'm about to get my period. Supposedly today. I don't think so. But anyways, I don't want to be hairy and bloody. So I'm gonna go ahead and wax my pussy, okay? So today we're gonna be waxing. I have my wax pad already warm up, but I think it's too hot because it's too runny. And yeah, I hate when I get wax on my nails, especially when they're fresh set. So let me get some applicators. I'll be right back. Okay, so I want this video to be a quick video. Not like a quick video, but I wanna wax quick. That's what I meant. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some wax on the applicator. And please ignore my dog. He's gonna be barking 24/7. That's his job. That's the only job he has to do in this house. Bark. I know it's a little hot, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this so it can cool down a little bit. And I'm gonna start with my bikini area. Yeah, it's not too hot now. I know if I apply it right from the pot, I'm gonna burn myself. But actually, let me back that up a little bit. I'm gonna apply another one, but actually I was gonna say something, I don't know. I'm hairy, but I'm not too hairy. But I know if I wait, it's still my period goes away. It's gonna be too long and painful, and we don't want that. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab another one and do my belly button. But I feel like my belly button, my stomach is a little bit more sensitive, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing this. Not too bad. Okay, I feel like the little burn tingly comes after you apply it, like already sitting on your skin for a little bit, and then it feels like it's burning. I forgot how high my pot goes. I think like 200. So I put it full blast and I was doing my makeup, and then when I was about to be done with my makeup and the wax was already all nice and melt, that's when I put it down. But sometimes I feel like I need to put it down a little bit sooner. Okay, I'm actually gonna move these little pelitos away because they get on my nerves. Okay, I have the big one already dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull. My sister is jamming. Okay, hold on, I cannot get a good grip because of my nail. I need to. I can't. Hold on, guys. Okay, I have it. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, not bad for the first one. It's just few hairs. It's like basically you can see them more on your skin than on the color of the wax. I kind of like the color that it came out today. Then I'm gonna do my belly bottom. Few hairs. Hold on, guys, I gotcha. There we go. That's better. You can also see my pores as well. And then, damn, I didn't know this one was gonna get that many hairs. Okay, what the hell? And it does hurt. it does hurt, okay? I'm not gonna lie, my skin bleeding already. Bleeding already. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply another one. Dude, I got wax on my carpet. One more time. One more time. Okay, I went ahead and I did 3 applications. I have one on this side and then one on this side, and then I have one on, well, I had 2 on this side. I don't know why, but my nose is so itchy. And I need to apply a little bit of powder. I was eating while I was doing my makeup, so I don't want it to. It's because my eyelashes, my bottom eyelashes, they're so long. I'm always looking down. They're always rubbing. But I don't like wearing waterproof mascara. So it's okay. Fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and let's do this one, which was the first one that I apply. 1, 2. Okay. A little bleeding. I'm bleeding. Do this new phone, I don't know. Supposedly better camera, better quality. See, but no, I don't know. I'm not too convinced. 1, 2. Oh, hold on, it ripped in half. 1, 2. Anyways. Oh my god, look, it ripped. Okay, I need to apply more. Okay, so I have 2 applications that I need to rip. I'm gonna be doing the first one. Okay. You see it? Oh, I cannot get it to fucking focus. Like my hair's, I feel like last time I left some hairs behind that ni me di cuenta, to be honest, and they were not bothering me when I found out. Okay, hold on, how I'm gonna get this one? So those, they already overgrew, so they're like super long. So let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so I had 3 and I'm gonna be pulling them. This one, it was just to get some hairs left behind from the other applications that I did. This one. 1, 2. It ripped. Oh my god, that hurt. A veces hasta me da risa, dude. Ay, Dios. Because I prefer to laugh than cry. Oh my god. Look at the white things on my hair. I mean, que agarró everything I needed to grab. Okay. Not bad. I'm gonna get a new one because the other one was already a little ugly and use and abuse. So it's less hot now because it's already cooling down, and I have the thing open and my fan on, so it's kind of helping to cool down faster. It's on 113 And when I started, it was 130, and it was, you can feel the difference. You can literally feel the difference. So yeah. Okay, this one I think is the only one that I'm gonna be able to have to apply on this position, because right now I'm gonna have to start down here, and yeah, so I'm gonna let this one dry and then I can pull. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one. Just need to get a better grip. Okay, I think I got it. 1, 2. Ow, hold on. Okay, 1, 2. Fuck. Oh my god. That's a lot of hair for one application from one. Look how many hairs. Fucking god. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull. This is the first one, and this one, it was just to get some hairs left behind. So I have another one down here, and this one is a good one. So 1, 2. Fuck. Hold on, guys. It ripped again. I guess I'm not letting them dry all the way. Ah! Oh. Fuck. Okay, got good hairs. Yes, también it was just to get some hairs on my leg. You can even see the hairs. Few hairs, baby hairs. Okay, I got wax on my nails, but I got something good for y'all. Give me 1 second. Hijo de su puta madre, I feel like I fucking took my pussy lip with me. There we go. You guys see? Oh my god. Okay, and I just go back and touch. A lot of hairs gone. A lot of them. A lot of them. Okay, this is another good one, I think. But hold on. Okay, 1, 2. Hijo de su. Okay, I don't know why it keeps ripping. I think it's because you guys see those hairs? Yep. My hairs. I'm a little upset because I got wax on my nail. It looks better, and it looks better on camera, but right now it was worse. So I'm gonna be applying the after wax. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm scared. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Ah, come. Holy shit. Oh my god. I'm gonna be applying some after wax spray when I'm done, because I don't want to be touching it and then I'm gonna wait and calm down about my nail. I just got my nails on. Anyways, 1, 2. Oof. Oh my god. There's some hairs left todavía. I'm upset. I'm upset. Some spots. Hopefully I got all the hairs left behind. I check. I think that's all I need, to be honest. And fix my nail. That's it. let me get a mirror and look at myself. It looks like it looks decent. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this shit off. I'm all done. I'm gonna be applying some of the after wax spray just because there's a lot of dry wax left behind, and I'm gonna try to get rid of as much as I can. This is what I do first. Not in the front. I feel like in the front, pues obviamente I can see easily to see like what's going on and everything. So I don't need as much in the front, but just to moisturize my skin because it does, like, I didn't put any lotion after I showered earlier. Porque luego it's gonna be like all it's gonna be harder for me to wax. So my pussy looks good, and then I'm gonna be doing my ass crack literally, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing. I'm just gonna be slowly rubbing the lotion, well, not the lotion, the after wax spray on my parts, on my personal parts. Claps for me because I'm all done and because I have no hairs on my pussy anymore. But now for us, thank you guys so much for being here, and thank you so much you guys for spending some time of your day watching one of my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about me, do you want to see more about me, go ahead and follow me on the rest of my social medias. They're gonna be linked down below. And I run out of bread, so yeah, I guess thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to the rest of my social medias. If you're looking for a makeup artist in Houston, Texas, DM me on Instagram. I got you, girl, boy, whatever. So yeah, I see you guys in my next video. Bye.